today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple scratch tank game. So here, you will have to open Google. Then type scratch. Scratch. There. Scratch.mit.edu. If you have a shortcut, just click scratch. But here it is. Then I want you to go to my stuff, the folder as I explained in the last video. Sorry, it might take two. Then here, if you already have an untitled project with nothing inside it, you could click see inside. Over here. Now, as I explained in the last video, you cannot share this unless you have confirmed your email. So make sure to confirm your email before doing this project. Now, as I explained, this is the play space. This is where you can find the sprites. This is the workspace, and this is the toolbox. This is the costume section of the toolbox and the sound section. Now here I want, and to explain a bit something. I mean by sprites is the characters around that go around the stage. So go to the costume section and delete costume 2. So if you're in costume 1, you have to click costume 2 first to delete it. You'll see that sign, then delete. Right click and zoom in costume 1, and then convert it to bitmap, then delete. Press delete over here, not delete the sprite. Okay. Now zoom in a bit more. So here, this is not a pixel, okay? This one is the pixel. So here, I don't know what unit is this, but I think this is more than a pixel. So here, this is a 10 by 10 pixel. Over here, make it to there. Now this is a pixel. Now set the color saturation to 0, color 0, and brightness about 54. Now make sure that this is Scratch 3.0. And you cannot, and then you cannot do this because this is Scratch 3.0, not 2 or 1, okay? Then use the black and white units to use 4 of them to make a square and outline it. But it has to be always surrounding the center. This is the center. That cross you can see, that's the center. So then, before you can actually do this, you have to click paintbrush first. Lessen the paintbrush thickness to 1 and select the fill into this. Okay. Now you could click the bucket, which is the fill, and then makes a square. Then select paintbrush again, and then make a barrel that is 1 unit long and half a unit wide. I'm not sure. Then make this into about 4, and then set the brightness to 100, saturation 100, and color about 27. Now place it, click on the center of the tank. Now we have a tank. Then listen to this very carefully. This is the coding part. Then go to events, below sound but above control, and get a when green flag clicked on top. It's on top of the events. Then go to control and get a forever loop and an if then statement. Then go to sensing, which is below control. Get a key space pressed, make that to up arrow, go to motion, above all, get a move 10 steps, then go to x0 y0, put that on top of the forever, and also the point in direction 90. So now we have a tank that starts in the center. Oh wait, I have to make an addition. So to make this a bit cooler, now make a stripe in the middle. Now there. Now we have a tank that drives around the screen, but only with up arrow key, not left or right. I'm gonna preserve the down arrow key for the fire key. So then duplicate the forever. To duplicate, left click and then select duplicate. Go to events and get a when green flag clicked again. Now then get the move 10 steps and delete it by putting it inside the toolbox again. Then go to motion and get a turn counterclockwise 15 degrees. Oh, this is clockwise. No, it's upside down, sorry. So here it is, the tank that drives around the screen. So about like that. Then get the opposite of that and then duplicate it once again. Get delete the motion block inside of the if then statement over here and put this inside. Then put it to left arrow. Now it's a bit done. All we need to do next is lessen it to about 3. This one about 6. This also about 6. So there. It's a bit slow, but it's okay. Now go to backdrops, click stage, then over here, the one over here. See, you can click sprites to select them. Then click this. Listen very carefully to this. Click this, not this or this. Okay? Then go to click backdrop section of the toolbox in the backdrop. Then convert it to bitmap. Then select rectangle and make it to about blue. Now field, okay, not outlined. Undo this. So not over here because it's gonna turn backwards all over the place. So click not this, the square, then field not outlined, then make that. Make an arena around. So then I'll make a base. Now listen to this. click this before you click outline. Wait, sorry. So click the square again, then before you do this you have to click on another thing. So then outline it. To know the exact color, click the pen, then select it on the blue bars. Then over here I'll make a base in which you could protect it. You could be protected. Then is 4. Oh, sorry. This is the eraser. This is a 40, okay? Now, it's about done. Go to fill, and actually, before you could go to fill, click the fill button again. Then click the bucket again, then click fill. Now listen to this. About here, click the second side. Then click this to make this to yellowish green. This one to green. There. A nice battlefield. Now, we want the tank not to drive through the blue. So that's the main purpose of the blue, right? So, what we have to do is go to sprite 1 again. Then under the up arrow key, get another if-then statement. But this time, not a key space pressed. It's a touching color. Then click the color, click the pen, and then select the blue. Then put it inside the hexagon, and then duplicate the 3 steps. Then make this to -3. Now it's a bit done. Now there may be errors of you driving backwards through the like that. So don't mind that. That's very rare because I've tried this before. Yeah, that's fair. So like that. Then over there, hover. Oh, here to paint, hover over choose a sprite. Don't click it, okay? Then select paint, the paintbrush. Then convert it to bitmap again. Go to make this into a dot, and then zoom in. Now, listen to this. Turn this to red, then 5, no actually 6, no actually 5, 6, sorry. So this is 6, or 7. Can I use 8? 8. Okay, so about cool. Then zoom in a bit more. You could place it anywhere you want, but it's always centered. So listen to 1, then fill all the spaces to make it square. There. Then convert it to vector. Click the mouse pointer. Click the red and center it. The cross in the middle and the cross over there must align. There we go. Now we have a nice little bullet. Then go to events. Get a when green flag clicked. go to looks. Now listen to this. Scroll down on the looks. Select get hide and show. Now go to forever and get a forever. And then if then. Oh, before you snap it below the when green flag click, snap the hide first. Then get that again and put it inside. Go to sensing. Get a key. Space press. Now make it to down arrow. Then go to control. Now listen to this. Get a when I start as a clone, a create clone of myself, and a delete this clone. Now put a create clone of myself over here. And then put a wait block, like overheat time, 0.2. Then get the when I start as a clone. Then go to motion, get a go to random position. Select the random position and turn it to sprite 1. Snap the show on it, and then get a point in direction. Go to sensing. Now get the backdrop number of stage. Switch the stage to sprite 1, and then switch the X position to direction. Now get a repeat until. There, after the repeat until, get the delete this clone and put it after. Then get a repeat until touching mouse pointer, and then a touching color blue. Then go to operators and get an OR block. Put them inside it. Then put it inside the hexagon of the repeat until. Then go and get a move 10 steps. Now we have a tank that shoots. So, oh wait, made a mistake. See, it has to be edge. Now it's like deleted. So here, this is the main idea of the tank. Now, I will have to focus on the other. Actually, I don't want it to go to the center point. I want it to go over here. So then we'll focus on the enemy. Over there, let's make this to W there, and then right arrow, I don't know, maybe D, think so, D, try this. A, D, D. No. This is, it has to be A. Next one, D. Now, it's a bit done. Now, it's like this. Point towards. Point towards. Sprite 1. Actually, make the point towards, point in direction 90, point towards sprite 1. This one, point towards sprite 2. Now, the point towards is in the motion blocks. Now, I haven't done any bullet. So, if touching S, ETS, press. Okay, go to sprite 3. Pointing direction sprite 3. Now it's about done. Now we have 2 players. Oh, actually, it's upside down. Sprite. Now there. Now we have just change colors. Turn this to red. Select paintbrush. Zoom in. Then make this to 4 also. Now switch it to white. There. Then color the color sprite 4 to go to sprite 1 again. Click the pen there. Now bitmap. There. Now there's 2. Wait. Okay. Move. Oh, sorry. Let's make this not. Let's do about color purple. Oh, not exposition, okay. It's always default when you, when you duplicate it. So now we have 2 tanks. We can, drive them. I'm driving the green tank. It's a much easier. Now, what's the purpose of bullets if you can't even shoot the enemy? See? Oh, yes. Wait. I'll make an effect when green flag. Oh, actually, let's just duplicate this. Then if key down arrow pressed, move -1 step. So it's like firing a tank. No, this is S. No. And the same for sprite 1. -1 step. There. Now, you can see Now, there. Now you could get yourself protected. Oh, there, as you can see, it does that kind of thing when you don't do it properly. Now, look. Oh, now it's much lighter. So actually, we got to negative 0.1 step. Negative 0.1 step. There. Now, it's the same. Oh, how about, yeah. So, now I'll make the code that will finish the projects. Get an if-then statement, and then a sensing if touching sprite 2, then stop all, or wait 1 second, stop all. Before that, you have to broadcast message 1. Now, hover over choose sprite and click paint. Then type green wins. Red wins. And color it red, of course. Then paint another costume. Then color green wins. Then color it green. About blue, okay, that's good. So when green flag clicked, hide and get the show. When I receive message 1, switch costume to costume 2 and show. Then opposite of that, new message, Control V. Message 1, 2. Okay. Then under that also, just duplicate that. Sensing touch sprite 4. Wait 1 second. Broadcast message 2. It has to be necessarily in this order. Okay? No, wait, sorry. It has to be about 200. Okay. 2. There. Now it's about like this. Now I'm gonna shoot red. Yeah. About, let's make that about 0.2. left click the stage and click green clean up blocks along with the others. There. Now it's wait, let me see. Let's go. Sorry, I'm just testing if that could happen. So it's a rare chance now, unless you fire like that. So now go to click C project page, and then get the instructions, and then type use the arrow keys to move and down arrow to shoot for green. Green. Use was to move for red, and S to fire. Blue. So here, title it the war, anything you like. I'll click the dome. There. Then click share. So see you in the next tutorial.